Hello friends and welcome to bsbtrainings.com. My name is Amit and today I'm going to show you a new data source called sports in your sample apps V607 image sample image. So in a previous session I shown you how do you set up your OBIEE sample apps V607. This is a new image from Oracle. In today's example I'm going to show you what are the different changes we have in sample app V607 image. So we start with a sample sports database and we are going to do some interesting analysis. I'm going to find out for different countries. Primarily I've taken India and Australia, the number of match played by different countries and how many matches they won year over year and they lost. The lost matches I've shown with a negative value and the one match I shown with a positive value. So I use over here horizontal cluster bar chart. So let's see how to do this analysis. Well, once you set up your virtual machine, you can access your virtual machine from outside your virtual machine. So I'm using my SampleAppv607 virtual machine from outside or host machine, and this is URL, the URL IP address of my virtual machine, and this is the default URL. Okay. So when you click on new and go to analysis, you find there are subject areas. When you scroll down, you find there are a couple of new subject areas in which you find the sports demo. So Y13 is a new subject or new database we have, which is fairly simple. We got two folders over here, presentation table. In turn, we have got multiple presentation tables over here called cricket facts, number of matches, and other elements. Okay. So well, I'm going to use over here cricket team would be different countries and number of matches played, and number of matches win or loss. So I'll take two major, lost or win. I like to evaluate this analysis from different years. Therefore I'm going to take a new one more dimension member called year, and I wanted to display lost matches as negative value, so I multiply by -1. Okay, and I write a simple custom defined heading as lost and won. Lost and won. I change the heading, and this is the default view, is a tabular view. I want to display this in more meaningful manner. I like to focus this analysis for India and Australia. So also I like to display the country number over there. Therefore I'm going to use a custom defined formula. I write a case, custom defined formula, case when the team value is India is a title case, then display one as a string, and then I want to display as one, else display two, and then I'm going to concatenate the team name. Maybe I use a dot, it's up to you how do you want to format this. I want to use a team name as concatenation. So it's going to display country India, then display one, or it will display two and concatenate by team. I click OK, and I'm going to give a custom defined heading over here as team. That's it. Well, I like to limit this analysis for India and Australia. Therefore, I'm going to apply filter on India and Australia. You see, for India it's 1. For all other country, the numbers are appended as 2. Okay. So I limited my focus for India and Australia, right? So the number of matches played by India, number of matches won and lost, year by year analysis. Now let's do this analysis more meaningful way. I'm going to use a bar chart, horizontal cluster bar chart. Under graph, you can use a bar chart. I'm going to use a stack horizontal bar chart, not cluster. I use a stack. Okay, and I want to display all the one matches which are 1 with positive value and matches which is lost with negative value. So I'll make it more meaningful analysis. So I want this whole analysis to be done for individual team. So I change team in my section. Therefore you can calculate for each team. I mean, you select team from the drop down, or if you put them under graph prompt, it will display the drop down, or you can display sections. So I display sections. So this is the analysis for team 1 India. There's another analysis for team 2 Australia, right? And this is the green color shows your matches won, the blue color shows your matches lost. However, you can change the formatting as per your like. If you like, you can change the style and conditional formatting and define an explicit color. So for first, I like to use light green color, and for second value, I like to use dark green color. I use different color to represent. In addition to this, you can also display scales and title. If you want to display data marker, you can display data marker as well. You can display data marker always, but this is going to be a little messy because we have a large number of matches played. Okay, you have data value over here as well. Okay, so it's up to you like to display data marker value or not. If you want to display data marker value, and you can even make a font size smaller, but that way it may not be, it may not be readable format. Okay, so maybe you can display some dark color and define the font size as well. So you can select the formatting as per your like, and therefore you get a complete picture about the number of matches played by India, and year over year the number of matches lost and the number of matches won. As we use India, there's another team I have used Australia. So with this data, we'll do a couple of more analysis. In my next video, I'm going to show you advanced analysis, database 12c analysis, analytical functions, and text analytics as well. So for now, we are stopping here, and thanks for watching this video. Should you have any question and concern, please feel free to write to us, or you can visit our site. Thank you.